Okay, so guys, we are back in this wild market. So as I said before, we are long from here. Okay, I just bought here, but as I said before, I don't use any leverage. Okay, because it's very dangerous to use leverage in this kind of structure. So yeah, I am long from here, long Bitcoin spot here. Okay, so yeah, I'm just I'm just waiting. Okay, so I truly believe that you see here we have today we have a weekly close. Okay, so I'm thinking that the next weekly will come here at this Fibonacci level and then got rejected. Okay, from here to this Fibonacci level. Okay, and then we can take some profit here. But why I'm using spot and not leverage? It's because we might in the next week come here at 20k. Okay, so that's it for the moment. I'm waiting, guys. This is a big 4 hour red candle. Also know that we are in the weekend. Okay, so we have less volume, and the next week maybe we would have some rejection from this Fibonacci level. Okay, also know that we have this big wick here, and then we might rejecting from it. Okay, so for the moment we are good. Okay, guys, and know also that if you feel anxious, it's because you just using a leverage, a too high leverage. Okay, so don't use leverage in this kind of market. You can use it here. I mean, here this is only up. You buy a coin and it goes up. So you can use leverage, but when you have this kind of correction, to be clear, this is not a healthy correction, okay? That's not a healthy correction, but when you have this kind of correction, don't use leverage because you are going to get liquid, you are going to get wrecked. Okay, so yeah, in this kind of market, as I said before, you have to survive. Okay, your goal is not to make money, your goal is just to survive. So yeah, for the moment, this is really bad. Do you remember when I said that here we are not going to take any long and we are going to wait here? I was right, okay? Because it's a very dangerous area here. So yeah, we are just waiting, guys. For the moment, we are waiting. So this is the structure, okay? Here we have two major resistance for bitcoins here, but we just broke it, okay? But this is not finished. I mean, the daily is not finished. As long as we don't close below this Fibonacci level, we are good. Okay, guys? So yeah, I would love to see bitcoins come here and then getting rejected. Okay. So yeah, my buying entry was here. You see this one? And for the moment, we are good. I mean, I know that this is a deep retest, but what can I say, guys? This is a very heavy correction, guys. and know that we can do something like that. You see? And I would love to see it. I would love to see something like this. But we should see how the rejection would be here. I hope that it will be very, very strong. I mean, here, this is you see this area here is where Tesla bought Bitcoin. Okay, so this is a big major resistance support here. Okay, so yeah, for the moment we are waiting, guys. So yeah, I have long Bitcoin here on the spot. Okay, only use spot position, don't use leverage because you are going to get wrecked. So yeah, only use spot position, guys. And I feel very bad for the altcoin, guys, because look at the correction. I mean, this for BNB, this is like 70% of correction. This is big, guys, very big. Look at Link. Oh god. And Cake. Oh god. Look at this correction, guys. This is like 100%, more than 80%. This is very big, guys. But if you have some cash, I recommend you to buy here, to buy the spot, because if Bitcoin bounce, we are going to see a heavy correction to the upside. So yeah, for Ethereum, you see, this is a heavy, guys. This is like 60%. So yeah, I feel bad for the altcoin, but this is the market, guys. This is a very wild market. And the BTC dominance is getting stronger. And we would see if this, you see this support here, resistance, we would see if we have a rejection or if we break it. If we have something like this, it's good for the altcoin. But if we have something like this is bad for the altcoin, okay, guys? So yeah, you just have to be patient. And don't use leverage in this kind of market because it's very dangerous for you and for your portfolio, okay, guys? So yeah, for the moment I'm waiting. I'm going to see how the weekly is going to close, and if the weekly close below my entry, I'm going to look for a close at break even. Okay, guys? Even if I think that we are going to see the next weekly come at this Fibonacci level, and then at this one, and then getting rejected to 20k. If we see that, it would be very nice because we can make like 10%. So it would be very good, guys. So yeah, here this Fibonacci area here is a big resistance and support for Bitcoin. So yeah, we are going to see. And remember that if you feel anxious right now, is because you are using too much leverage, and you shouldn't use it, guys. But yeah, today we might see a retest of this area here, this zone, and then we'll see. So yeah, we are going to do this. And this is a must hold for Bitcoin to continue the bull run, you know. This area here is a must hold for Bitcoin. If we don't hold this area here, we are going to 20k at least. And even in this support, in this Fibonacci support here, okay. So this is a must hold for Bitcoin. So yeah, for the moment, we don't see a big rejection. We are just going lower and lower. This is why you shouldn't use leverage in this kind of market. When you use leverage here, you don't care because it only goes up. You buy shit and it goes up. So you don't care, okay? But now you have to have strategies, you have to be patient, you have to do your own research because it's a wild market, you know. So yeah, for now, for the moment, I long get Bitcoin here on the spot, and I'm looking for something like this and a rejection to this Fibonacci level at least. And I would love to see Bitcoins comes here at this Fibonacci level and then getting rejected, I think. Just like here, you see that? We are getting rejected from Fibonacci support to Fibonacci support. So yeah. But the weekly closed, it will close very badly if you don't have, if we don't have a rejection. It will close very bad. I mean, this is here the resistance of the weekly, and here the support. So yeah, for the moment, Bitcoin doesn't look good, okay? But don't stress, don't, I mean, if you have a spot position, don't sell it now because it's a big correction, you know, and Bitcoins, when Bitcoins do a correction, this is what happens, like 50% down. I mean, when we look at here, for an example, when we look at this one, we have like 70%, then a consolidation box here, you see, and then some continuation to the upside. And then another correction, you see 70%. And then a consolidation box, and then to the moon. But yeah, for the moment, don't touch the altcoins because the altcoins is just melting, are just melting. I mean, for BNB, it's like more than 70% correction. This is heavy, guys. For Cake, it's like 80%. This is so much. So yeah, guys, you have to be patient here and see what Bitcoins does. Also know that we are in the weekend. Okay, it's Sunday today. Tomorrow is a new week, so we would have we would have to see a lot of volume tomorrow, and maybe a push to here, and then we can take some profit. I would love to see that. Take some profit here and then getting rejected to 20k, and then we are going up. I hope that, because right now it's very bad and very heavy. Okay, so guys, I'm going to go now. I have to go. I just want to do something here that looks very interesting. I mean, if we are doing this, okay, we can see something like this, or in the daily. You see here, we might have something like this. You see, 2 rejection here, another rejection here. So I mean, for retail investor, this is a very good spot, good price to have some Bitcoins here, to get some Bitcoins. So we might have a rejection here. For the moment, I'm in long position here, okay, this level here. Also now know that I'm trading spot here. I don't use leverage for this position. So I'm going to put my take profit around here. And with the 3% of this morning, it would be like 11%. So 10% plus is good, okay? So yeah, I'm going to put my take profit at this Fibonacci level, and I'm going to go, and I'm not going to look at the chart anymore until tomorrow, okay guys? And I recommend you to do it also. Don't look at the chart, okay? Because you will feel sad and anxious, and you have to be emotionless in this market, okay? This is a savage market. So yeah, and know that if you feel anxious, it's because you are using too much leverage and you shouldn't. So take this as a lesson, but don't give up, brother or sister. Don't give up, and yeah, it will be fine, guys. Okay. What I'm expecting is that the weekly will close below this Fibonacci level here. Okay, and comes here, retesting it, and then go down. Okay. And I would love to see that, because it will mean that we have our take profit. So yeah, I'm going to put my take profit here. Okay guys, so yeah, stay safe guys, don't look at the chart too much, and yeah, take care.